Let me show you how to open a Touch and Go eWallet account. Now, in order to do this, make sure you download the application of Touch and Go onto your mobile device, whether from the Play Store or the App Store. And once you open up the app and once you tap on the sign up option, you'll be able to see a option or a section in order to enter in your phone number. So select your country code, type in your phone number, and then you'll receive the OTP via the SMS or the WhatsApp. You just need to enter in the OTP and then make sure you create a PIN. Once this step is complete, in the next step, you'll need to identify or complete your eKYC, which means you just need to enter in your identity or provide your ID documents such as your MyKad ID, or if you're a foreigner, you just need to provide your passport. So fill in all of the information that is asked, and once everything is complete, you lastly need to take a live selfie to fulfill the biometric facial recognition check. So that's pretty much all there is to it, and your account should be either created instantly and sometimes may take up to 48 hours. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.